Hello everyone, today we're diving into a crucial topic for every PC owner: how to check your CPU temperature. The CPU is the brain of your computer, and like our brains, if it gets too hot, it stops working. Therefore, monitoring your CPU temperature is vital, because excessive heat can lead to thermal throttling, causing your computer to slow down to protect itself, or even cause permanent hardware damage and system crashes. Since Windows doesn't display the CPU temperature directly, I'll use a simple and quick application that shows you the CPU temperature. This method is very important, and if you feel your system is running slowly, the first thing you should check is the CPU temperature. High temperatures can reduce CPU performance, and even shorten its lifespan if they persist for a long time. And for the most accurate and comprehensive readings, we'll use a lightweight and reliable tool called HWMonitor. I'll leave a download link in the video description. After opening the official website, to download the application, scroll down until you find the versions history section. Here you'll find a list of all the different application versions. You'll notice versions specifically for AMD Ryzen processors, versions for Intel processors, and other general versions. For the best experience, I recommend downloading HWMonitor version 1.60, as it's fully compatible with both types of processors. Below this version, you can choose to download it as an setup file, or as a compressed file. Choose what suits you best. In this guide, I'll be using the setup file. Then, click Download Now, and wait a few seconds for the download to complete. The application is very lightweight, and doesn't take long to download. You'll find the setup file in your Downloads folder. Double-click it to begin the installation process. The application installation steps are simple and quick, and don't require any configuration. You can leave the default installation path as is. Click Next in the Windows, then click Finish to complete the setup. The installation is very simple and doesn't need any explanation. The application is supposed to create a shortcut on the desktop, but I hide my desktop icons. Therefore, I'll open the application from the Programs window. When you open HWMonitor for the first time, it will gather all the data it needs. This takes a few seconds. It might find a newer version upon startup. Uncheck the Check for Updates option, and click Continue. When the application opens, it might seem like there are many numbers, but don't worry, it's very well organized. Close all the sections or contents of your computer's components, and only look for Intel Core or AMD Ryzen. Then click the small plus icon next to the CPU name to view the details. Expand the Temperatures section, and below that, you can expand the Cores section. Here, HWMonitor provides 3 important columns for each sensor. The first column, Value, shows your current system temperature, and the Min column shows the lowest temperature recorded since you opened the application, and the last column, Max, shows the highest temperature your processor has reached. And this is the most important. You should check this after gaming or intensive work. This is the overall temperature of the processor chip. Keep in mind that this app only displays your processor's temperature. It cannot lower or fix the temperature itself. It simply provides figures to help you determine when your computer needs a break, cleaning, a new CPU fan, or a reapplication of thermal paste. For your information, the normal CPU temperature ranges from 35 to 65 degrees Celsius. To maintain this, regular cleaning of the CPU fan is recommended. Thermal paste is also crucial, because it dries out over time, and applying even a small amount can significantly reduce the temperature. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient space around your computer, and that it's not stored in a closed cabinet. Regularly checking your processor's temperature is a simple practice that can save you from costly repairs. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.